She's big, she's bold, and she's about to fly. At 32 metres long and weighing 15 tonnes, the biggest foiling sailing boat in the world has taken a huge step forwards. 4 years ago, Gitana 17 was a concept. Now she's for real. Launched this summer, she's taken a team of 250 people, 170,000 man-hours to create. Her ultimate goal is simple: to be the fastest sailing boat around the world. To do so means breaking new ground.
There's never been such a big boat foiling, so there's a bit of unknown relative to what the environment is going to provide us. It's nothing like on the America's Cup, where the foil is literally piercing the wave, then the boat is, fully out of the water. This kind of thing we're going to discover at a bigger scale.
But it isn't just her size that's challenging, her foiling configuration is new as well.
2 hydrofoils and dagger board with elevator and rudder with elevator. So we have 4 points to lift the boat out the water. Now we have to test it.
So there was plenty at stake for her maiden sail. Would she fly?
Fais du 13. Fais du 13 pour commencer. Et on essaye debout. On essaye de voir si ça vole. Top. On peut monter du chariot un peu. Ouais, y a pas d'air. Il y a 12 devant. On peut demander à Giro. Peut-être sur une vague, il y a moyen de...
Then, flight. Stable flight.